Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be looking into how to create a GMB, how to verify it. But in this video we'll be trying a new method for ourselves. We've tried to do it with, I think we've tried to do it with Google agency, and then for those of you that it doesn't work for, and we've also set up the website email for free, and then we get ourselves a website to be able to use for the Google My Business stuff. So in this video we'll be taking a look into how we can verify it. Very simple, in just some steps, how we can verify it. So I would love to explain to you upon how we are going to go about it. Firstly, in this video we'll be setting up a VPS private system, a remote desktop connection for our PC, and then after that we get ourselves a email in any country that we wanted to verify. Maybe you want to verify your own in the in the United States, in the Canada, or in any country over there, or you want to use your own country to verify your agency or your Google My Business account. So we will set it up as well. So guys, let us get into it's. Alright guys, and you're welcome back to my channel once again. Guys, today, like I said earlier, we'll be setting up a VPS to be able to connect our remote desktop to be able to create a Google business profile, and we'll be able to verify it with just a phone or email. It is very simple. If you notice something about the Google My Business stuff, you would see that this is just a logical something which is very simple. If you're trying to create a business for yourself, maybe you are in Nigeria now and you want to create a business for yourself, and then you go to the Google website, the Google location stuff, and then once you get there, you see yourself, okay, this is my business, and then it's all here, and then I'm able to verify it. You see, it will only allow you to verify it with just a phone or email, because you are in your country and you are using the VPS as the current location of your country. But now, as a Nigerian, you want to verify a USA business, it will only ask you for business verification video to prove that you are really in that area. So how do you do about it? It's very simple. If you come to the start of your PC right here, come to the start over here, click on this start. Then if you type on the remote desktop, you're gonna see the remote stuff over here. It's gonna show it to you. So if you have the remote, we have to set it up, have some password, the admin login details, and something like that. So we need to go over here to get it. Like, okay, now as you can see, it's over here now in my own tab. Let me try to show you guys. Okay, let me try to show it to you guys. Let's go to the remote over here once again, if I can. Okay, you can see it over here now. This is open the United States VPS that I have for myself. Now, as my VPS, now if I try to open it over here now, it might give me a error, that my connection is something like that, because I've been having those issues for a couple of days now. So to set up your VPS, it might require you some money, but in this video I will show you how you can get a free VPS for yourself to be able to undo your stuff. So this is the error that I keep getting, and then I've tried everything means possible to make sure I bypass the error. I couldn't do it. So over here now, we will need something that is called an Amazon VPS. You can just go to to Google like this and type the Amazon VPS, and then over here you'll be able to see it just so very simple like this, because Amazon VPS is free. It's paid also, but it's free for a year. You can still use it for a year. You can use it for a year, and then after that, when you've used it for a year, you can just come back to pay for them. But within a year, I think you should be able to do whatever you want to do for yourself. So this is Amazon stuff. Over here we need to sign in the Amazon account. So for those of you that are just starting today, just click on sign up. Okay, type in your email address, your full name, everything. By just you see something like this over here, you can just type in your email address, everything. But as for me, which I already have an account with them, and I already have everything necessary for them, I don't need to create an account. I just need to sign in into my WPS Amazon, and then I will try to generate a new password for myself. Also, should I say, a new software of the Amazon store for myself, and then from there I'll be able to sign in into my VPS connection, just that easily. So let me try to click this, and then let me try to sign up. Okay, then I'm gonna click on next. Okay, now then my password is okay. I think it is this. I think I have it there. So here I am now. It's logged in now. As you can see, my own account is logged in now, and here I am. So once you've created your account, you should you should be here. So as you can see, it says there is no recent issue on my VPS, but I know myself that is an issue with my VPS. And you can just come over here to the service over here. I think you will go to the EC2, I think. Oh, sorry, can to the EC2. But for you to come to the EC2 as a new guy, just come on, go to the compute, then the EC2. I hope you understand. First you have to come here, then you have to click here. I'm able to see this directly because this is not my first time of doing this, so that is the reason why I'm able to to see this directly without without having to go from one tab to another. So after you're here on the EC2 console, management console, then you have to set up the country that you want to use, the UK, the US, or anywhere that you want to use. You have to set it up for yourself. So and then I am using this Virginia. I think this state is in the United States, and that is the reason why I'm using it. You see, US West, US East, we have so many of them. So because my VPS is having an issue, I will try to choose another one. I won't use this East. I think I should go for the West, this West over here, the West 2. So if you click on it over here, you will have generated a password. They will give you a password for yourself that you will need to use, which you will need to to use to sign in into the VPS on your computer. So once we're trying to do this will change your PC. Everything on your PC will just come dark, and then the light, it will show a light again, which will be in a new environment for you, for your PC. And then you don't need any VPN, any private network to open for yourself. No, you are automatically in any state that you choose for yourself. So here it is. Now we are here in the new stuff that we are. You can launch it as an instance, you can migrate a server, you can do all other stuff like that you want over here, and then to get it. So over here, let us try to to launch instance to see what we've got, or we can try to migrate a server for ourselves. So let us see what we've got. So if you're here now, you can click on the get started. But for the benefit of those that are just starting, maybe you just want to do it for yourself, you can just come back over here. Make sure you launch it as an instance. You see, instant launching for yourself. I think that will be the perfect for you. But if you are if you are trying to do it like me, like you want to change something in your VPS, you can do it like this. But if you are just starting for yourself, just make sure you launch it as an instant, and we will continue the instant launching for yourself. So over here now, you have to choose a name for your server, like the name that I choose for myself. Let me try to show you guys once again that I named it the United States VPS. That is what I named my own. So this one I will be naming it USA VPS 2. So that is the name I will be giving to it over here. And then so over here now, you have to scroll down. Make sure you scroll down there. You will see some products that are here. You can see we have they have the Amazon, Linux, Macs, Windows, and all sort of product that you can use over here. But we are on the Windows PC. If you have a Mac PC like Apple PC, this is your own choice. But as for me, I am on the Windows PC HP, so I'm going to use the Microsoft Windows. So once you've clicked on it, it's gonna show you some stuff, because it's gonna allow you to download your own some other stuff like that, and then it's gonna give you a password, and then you're gonna choose the username for yourself. So when you hover here like this, then you have to choose a free tier for yourself. As you can see now, you've chosen the Microsoft window that is compatible with your laptop that you're using. Then you come over, you click on this arrow, then you choose any free tier available for yourself. You can choose anyone that you think it is suitable for you. So let me try to choose this again now. So I'm going to choose a new one, you know, so that it will give me a new stuff, like a new password, a new something like that. So this is it now. So over there now, then the next thing is that I'm gonna scroll up again to, you know, to get myself something. So just scroll up to the key pair. I think it should be somewhere around here. So for the key pair, it's, I think it should be down here. So this is the key pair. So this is the key pair. You're gonna select the one for yourself, and then you create a new key pair for yourself. So let us try to click on the create a new key pair. So and then let us choose where we want it to be. Okay, so this is, I think, so give your key pair a name. I can say my key 2. I think this one should be okay. So let us try to create it now. So it will be well created, and as you can see, it's downloaded right over here. This is it. It's downloaded into my laptop. Okay, so once it's downloaded now, that means I have to upload this key pair, okay, into the server. That is when my password will be generated for me. So let me try to do the uploading so fast. So when you've downloaded this key 2, the key that we created over there, then the next thing is that you have to launch the instance. Then after we launch the instance, we'll be able to, you know, get our password and then create the username for ourselves. So I click on the launch instance right over here, guys. So it's loading, so let me try to skip this video. So once we've launched the instance, as you can see, it says success and then it's done. So the next thing for us to do is that you have to scroll down here, over here. Make sure you scroll down, so you will see view all instances. So you click on the view all instances, and then you have to wait, I think, for 5 good minutes to see how it is. You see like this now. So as you can see, so this is the instance stuff. So as you can see, the instance state is running, but this one is still initializing. So we have to wait for this to, you know, to be done. So we have to wait at least 5 minutes for it to be done. So let me try to skip this video. So after a long waited 5 minutes, as you can see now, the check passed is complete, the running is also complete. So the next thing we've got to do now, let me try to erase this first. The next thing we got to do now is that we got to click on this button. Click on this little button over here. Let me try to identify that again. This button, click here. So once you click here, then make sure you click on this connect. So I will be clicking on the connect over there. So after you've clicked on the connect, you know, we're trying to set up the VPS. So come over here to RDP client, and then you can see it says connect to RDP client. So over here, this is where we will get our password, and this is where we will download the new file for it, because since the old one I'm using is not working, then that means I need a new one. As you can see, this is the username administrator. Get your I will have to generate the password for myself, and then you can see this is the public DNS. As you can see, it is in US. You can see this is US West. So over here now, I will download the remote desktop file. As you can see, it is saved as USA VPS 2.rdp, which means I won't be doing a mistake with the 2. You know, I have 2 now, so I won't be doing a mistake. So this is the username, admin password. You can just copy this, put it in somewhere else. Make sure you don't forget it, and generate your own password. So the password will be loading, and then as you can see over here now, it says I should upload the private key. Say upload the private key file over here. Do not forget that we downloaded a key before. This is it that I downloaded here. I said my key 2.pem. If you don't forget, we downloaded that key in this video, so I'm gonna pick my cursor again, then upload the private key in the download. It should be here. So this is it. This is the first one that I used before, but this is the new one I'm using now. You just click on it, then click on open. So as you can see, it's there. So this is the password. All these now are the password that you're looking. So I have to make sure I decrypt the password. So just click on decrypt the password, and then the password will be shown to you. So I'm sorry, I have to hide my password. So the password is generated, and I have copied my password into a safe place. So that is done. Then everything is now set. The username is administrator, and then the password is already copied. So you can now minimize or close this tab. Then we are done there. So over here now on my PC, the next thing for me is to load the VPS that I just downloaded. So I'm gonna come to my download. See, so this is it. So let me try to load it. So loading it. It's gonna say, I'm gonna click on the connect. So we're gonna ask me for the for the password. So let me go and copy my password. So now I have pasted my password into it. So I'm just gonna click on OK. So yes. So now I should be seeing something on my PC. My PC should turn black, and then I should be able to see, okay, this is it. You see now it is working. So being your first time, if you're trying to do this for your first time, it might take a time for it to show like this. So as you can see, everything is loading, and then I am waiting for it to be completely loaded. So now in this VPS, now that my PC has changed, that means my PC is now in the United States. Now what I can do now is that I'm gonna look for something like a US phone number, a real one. Make sure you get a real one. You can ask your friends who are in US to get you a phone in the US. You can pay them to help you get a good SIM in the US that you can use to to get yourself the the SIM, and then you will use it to start your stuff like this. So when you have created the email in the United States, and the email is a very real email of the United States, then the next thing after that is that you've got to go over to the GMB. Now create the GMB. It is automatically in US. For you to ensure that your business is in US, for example, now let me go into my browser like this. Go to go to maps.google.com. as you can see. Let us try to see it over here. As you can see, this is Nigeria. This is my country. The map will show my country. This is Nigeria. The center, this is where I am. So I think I am around somewhere in the Lagos side, So now if I turn on my VPN, sorry, I just want to try to let you understand how this works. If I turn on my VPN or my VPS, okay, let us check into the VPS. Okay, I want to cancel this. Okay, maybe it's still loading, but I love to let me just close this for now. So let me try to on my own VPN. This is a private network. It's a push it. So connect it to Los Angeles. You will see what I'm trying to see now. Make sure it's connected. I'm just trying to use this as an example. You don't need any VPN once you have the Amazon VPS. You don't need any of it. So let us say now, let us go over here again and re-click on the reload the map.google.com. You're gonna see what I'm trying to say now. As you can see now, automatically now this is United States. So this is how I checked if my PC is in the United States or not. This is how I check it, to make sure I am exactly in the United States, to make sure what I'm doing is right or not. So then over there, if you are, you are doing this for the first time, let me try to show you a proof of my own business that is verified, because I got a message from someone on Twitter, who would love to do it, but the guy said he followed some of my stuff but couldn't do it. So I'm going to show you some of my business that I was able to verify with it. Although not everything will be verified, but I can guarantee you that 50% of your business can be verified. So you can see it all over here. These are business and they are verified live on the Google map. So that is just it, and that is just everything that you need to know about it. So let's see if the VPS is ready to connect once again, and then if it is not ready, we are already done over here. That's just it, but let us try and check it for the last time. So I can create a business. You can see me creating it, so that you can see me creating it. Let me try to copy my password. I'm gonna copy it here. Is it the password? Okay, and I'm gonna paste it here. So let us see if it is ready to work for us, or we should leave it for some time, some minutes. Okay, it's like it's still it's still loading some of the administrative windows, something like that. So which means it is done. So let me know about what you think in the comment section. If you have a question, just send it directly to me on any of my social media that you have, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp. Even drop it in the comment box section. I will reply to you. And then if you really need my help in any of this, just let me know. I will surely help you to do it. So thank you guys for watching this video up to now. Till we meet in our next video, make sure you are happy and happy marketing.